To check how much data you've used on your Android phone, we'll first go to Settings. If you don't have settings on the home screen, just swipe up to reveal the app drawer and find your settings from there. Once I'm in Settings, I'll go to Connections, and from there we'll go to Data Usage. On some Android phones, this might be labeled differently and located under Network and Internet Settings. If you're struggling to find the correct place, just type Data Usage in the search bar and your phone should find it. Anyways, on the very top, I can see how much mobile data I've used. Towards the bottom, there's a different section for the amount of Wi-Fi data I've used, if that's something you're interested in. I do like how Android breaks down the usage per app, so it's easy to see which apps are using the most data. If I go back, there's this setting called Data Saver. This will basically block apps from using data in the background. The apps you're actively using will function normally, but anything that's happening under the hood in the background, which on modern smartphones happens quite a bit, will be prevented. Of course, that could mean that you won't be getting some notifications, for example, when your apps are blocked from using data. There's an additional menu here where you can give certain apps a permission to always use data. So I could, for example, let Gmail use data normally and have everything else restricted. Another useful setting is the Allowed Networks for apps. This allows you to limit certain apps to Wi-Fi only, or tell them to prefer mobile data. Could be a good solution if you have some data-hungry apps, and you don't want them to eat up all your mobile data. One more thing. If I go to mobile data usage, I can see a chart for my usage, including a list of apps that use the most data. On the top, I have my billing cycle, and if I go in the settings, I can set up warnings or limits for my data use. I can, for example, set my phone to give me a warning after a certain amount of data has been used, or set a limit for a specific amount of data if I want to make sure I don't exceed what's included in my plan. And that's data usage on Android. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.